Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Komal Ghangav. I am second year diploma student from ZIL Polytechnic Pune. I was done study of surface water and groundwater and its treatment using bioconclusions. I was guide to Agrawal sir. My group member name is Harshal Jadhav, Komal Ghangav and Gurav. Surface water. Surface water means water covers two-thirds of the planet's surface. It is essential to all forms of life and plays a vital role in the process and functioning of the earth ecosystem. Second is people all over the planet are dependent on water to grow food, generate power, cool the machine of industry, carry wastage and much more. Surface water. More than 97% of the earth water is salt water in our ocean and salt lakes. Water in ice caps, glacier adds about 2.0% more. Surface water quality. First is temperature. Determine the kinds of animal that can surf in a stream. Temperature also can affect the chemistry of the water. Second is dissolved oxygen. Is how much oxygen is available in the water for fish and other aquatic organisms to breathe. Healthy waters generally have high level of DO. Third is pH. It is the adequate level of water. Most water range from 6.5 to 8.5. Changes in pH can affect how chemicals dissolve in the water and whether organisms are affected by them. High acidity can be deadly to fish and other aquatic organisms. Fourth is nutrients. The two major nutrients scientists measure are nitrogen or phosphorus. The presence of too many nutrients can hurt aquatic organisms by causing lots of algae to grow in the water. Fifth is toxic substances. Scientists also test for many harmful toxic in things like metal, pesticides and oil. 6 is durability. 7 is bacteria. 8 is visual services. 9 is biology sampling. So approximately 50% of Americans obtain all or part of their drinking water from groundwater. Groundwater is the water that saturated in tiny spaces between alkali matter, then sand, gravel, silt, clay, or the surfaces of fracture in rock. Groundwater quality. In first is inorganic components, second is pathogens. What is conclusion? Conclusion is a process in which disparate practical allogement together. Concluents are substances which bring about conclusions. Bioconclusion is plant-based conclusions have the potential or effect in wastewater treatment, which the sustainable and environmental appropriate. The bioconcluent proved to be efficient in purifying and color removal. 97% water, 3% solids, the substances solids and dissolved solids. Why use bioconclusions instead of the conventional treatment process and methods? Thank you.
Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.